Utilizing communication tools as an educational administrator is very, very important. And all forms of social media have different components of use and how they can help you support your brand, market your school, and communicate a message to your community. Obviously, there's Facebook. Facebook probably works really well with grandparents and parents. It's great for teachers to post what's going on in the classroom. It's great to post concerts and things of that nature. So Facebook is very, very important. Instagram is more important when you're communicating with parents and with your students. So it's going to reach a little bit of a younger generation. The ability to tweet is definitely something you want to leverage because you're going to get the younger population, the younger generation through the ability to tweet. And you're probably going to get a broader array of population. LinkedIn is very important to post on 2 to 3 times a week. From a professional standpoint, if you want to market and sell what you're doing educationally. So from a professional standpoint, when you're implementing progressive approaches and different opportunities at a high level professional venue, you want to be able to be on LinkedIn and casting your brand on LinkedIn. It is very, very important. And then Pinterest. Pinterest can be very, very beneficial to reaching the educational and teaching community at large. So in summary, it's very important to utilize the contemporary social media communication tools to get your message out there and to sell your brand.